Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Ford F150 headlights. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight housing. Remove any plastic trim or retaining clips first. Unscrew the mounting bolts and gently pull the housing forward to access the bulb and wiring harness. Disconnect the harness by pressing its tab and wiggle the bulb free, replacing the assembly or bulb as needed. Reattach bolts and test the lights before closing. Gather your tools and set up a clean workspace near the truck. Use a 10mm and 7mm socket to remove mounting bolts and a flat screwdriver for stubborn clips. Keep a flashlight and gloves handy to protect bulbs and hands while guiding the housing forward. Lay removed parts in order to simplify reassembly, and have replacement bulbs or an OEM assembly ready so you can test fit and reconnect wiring promptly after removal. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated while working under the hood and fits cup holders so you won't spill on your tools. I find it handy during long projects and it cleans easily. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Follow a steady sequence to avoid dropped bolts or broken clips. Open the hood, remove trim fasteners, then back out the mounting bolts holding the headlight housing. Carefully pull the housing forward to reveal the bulb and wiring harness. Press the harness tab to disconnect and remove the bulb. Install the new bulb or assembly, reconnect the harness, test the light, and resecure the housing and trim for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.